Witchies, welcome back to the channel. Today we have another double Witch's Moonbox unboxing. They're both right here, and I really hope I open them in the right order because they've been sitting here for a while. I hope I don't mix them up. But I guess either way we're going to see both the boxes, so it's fine. I think this one first, so we are going to open it right on up. Ooh, pretty, very pretty. Okay, so for anyone who is not caught up on these boxes, I am very behind. These double unboxes are how I'm trying to catch up. But if you notice that the dates of anything seem like they were ages ago, yes they were. We know, I'm behind. It's okay. So we're just gonna power through. We have our little table of contents, which we read at the end because we don't want to spoil surprises. Ooh, we have our little oracle card today. It's a strange little one. I got a Tree of Life, True Wisdom and Making Good Choices in Life. Gosh, I hope so. So that is that right there. We also have the Walk Between Worlds, and I'm assuming this is a little spell, much like last time, and it is beautiful. I really, really love the artwork for this one. It's so nice. I will read that properly later on. Ooh, this is how we know that I am very behind. So we have Blood Moon, October Esbat, I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong, and Full Moon, and this is what it looks like. And after that we have Black Mirror Scrying. Ooh, well that's very interesting. Ooh, and once again the artwork of this, absolutely everything about it is wonderful. I love this. I could look at this all day and I cannot wait to read it. Okay. Ooh. This is a very like spooky feeling box. Like we've got like the beautiful dark artwork. We've got black paper this time. Okay. Right up on top we have some sort of bundle. I'm not sure what this is. It doesn't immediately look like sage to me, but I could be wrong. So we'll find out at the end. But yeah, there's some sort of bundle. Ooh, we have our salt. And this is Samhain Sacred Salt. Let me have a little sniff. Oh, that's nice. I could not tell you what that smells like, but it is a really nice smell. Do our little herbs next. The packets of herbs we have for this box are Damiana, the Artemis herb, and Sweetwood, which I'm pretty sure is cinnamon. So that is wonderful. At some point I really want to transfer all of these into like little jars, like probably sometime after we've moved somewhere else and there's more space for that kind of thing, but I would love to have everything in like nice little jars all neatly arranged. We have our candle that I assume goes with the spell we got at the start. And it is a wonderful black candle that smells just amazing. It's definitely beeswax, but I don't know if I can smell something else if it's maybe been anointed. Ooh, we have something in a little black pouch right here. Very drawn to that. The video I recorded before this was 2-sentence horror stories. I got myself good and spooked, and something in the attic just moved by itself, so I'm going to have a heart attack, thank you. Anyway, nice little silky black pouch. We're just going to ignore the ghosts. Ooh. We have this. I'm not sure what this is. Could this be like the black mirror for the scrying? Because I don't know how reflective it looks to you, but I can see myself quite clearly in this. Not super flattering. Have a giant snoot, but it's pretty cool. Swear to God, if I see a ghost behind me right now in this, I am jumping out the window. Yeah, I'm not sure what this is, but I am interested. I can't wait to read about this. We have some incense. Couldn't tell you even vaguely what this smells like, but it smells real good. Something that I assume must go with something else in the box, because it's like a weird little metal shape. We have our oil, and this is scrying oil. Ooh, that's very green smelling. Whenever we were in London, if you watched my Oddities Museum vlog, the most recent one, there was actually a jar of urine that was apparently originally used for scrying, so that's interesting. Okay, and we're down to the last item, which I've been saving for last because it is something very interesting looking. It's like the big special piece of this box. Oh! Okay, so it is this, which is just beautiful. Whatever it is fantastically made. And then I assume the idea is presumably like that. Oh, and then, yes, and then that's the stand. Okay. Ooh, yes, we love that. Okay, amazing. So we'll quickly read through this little table of contents for that box, and then we'll get started on the next one. So let's have a look. So this box is a Walk Between Worlds. Handcrafted black mirror frame with obsidian scrying disc. I was gonna say obsidian, but I doubted myself. Next time I will not. Obsidian scrying disc. Ooh, and there's a lot of information on that, which I'm very excited to read about because that has me intrigued. The whole idea of scrying in general is very interesting to me. Black Mirror Scrying Book of Shadows artwork. Yes, we got that, and it is beautiful. Hand-rolled A Walk Between Worlds spell candle with spell. Yes, we got both of those. Scrying Magical Anointing oil. Yes, we got that. Plenty of scrying going on in this box. Oh, what's in the oil? Sandalwood, rose, star anise, and cinnamon oils. I would not have expected that combination at all. Included blue lotus and mugwort as well, and a Lemurian quartz, and a mixture of spiritual guide magical oil. Yeah, God, those were not the smells I was getting, and those are mostly all smells I really enjoy. Samhain Celebratory Sacred Salt. Yes, we got that. God, say that 5 times fast. We got that. And it has clove, star anise, and amber oils. No wonder I like it. As well as yarrow, vervain, and mugwort. And a special mixture of ancestral honoring magical oil. Copal incense sticks, that's what it smells like. I actually have some just like copal resin here, but I've never tried it in like the form of an incense stick, so that's interesting. Yerba Santa sage bundle, okay. Is there sage in it? Yerba Santa is a type of sage. I didn't know that. I've had Yerba Santa before, but I didn't realize it was actually a type of sage. Sweetwood or cinnamon, yep. Damiana herb, doesn't give another name for that, and I've never heard of it. That's interesting. Artemis herb or mugwort, see, I know mugwort. Blood Moon Book of Shadows artwork, yes, we got that. Personalized oracle reading, yes. And parchment paper, yes, it is in the back here. Perfect. Okay, well that box I very much enjoyed. I loved the whole feel of it. Like I said, the whole scrying thing is deeply interesting to me, so I've got lots of reading to do tonight. But for now, we'll move on to the next box. Oh yes, we will. Ta-da! So let's pop this bad boy open. Ooh, red. Up first we have 2 artworks. We have Wheel of the Year and Brigid. So here is Wheel of the Year. And here is Brigid. We have our spell, it's lovely in yellow, the Awoken Flame spell. We have our table of contents that we read at the end, and we have our personalized oracle reading, Angkor-Wat. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that. I have the courage to live my heaven on earth, as above, so below. I am aware that sometimes things must fall apart to be reborn as I would wish. Okay, into the box. Oh, something pretty right there. Okay, hold on. First, let me do these little herbs that were just right there. So we have Bastine, which I'm thinking is either juniper berries or I think it's maybe black pepper. I'm not sure. It's some sort of little thing, and I've never heard of Bastine before, so we'll see what these are at the end. And we also have some bay leaf. Always good to have. Right, so the things right on top here that I'm very excited about is this box right here, which is absolutely beautiful. It's carved along the front and the sides. I'm excited for it. Oh, and there's stuff in it. Oh, a little forest in a box. So we have some jasmine, which is, you know, one of my favorite flowers. It's like one of my favorite smells in the world. Got some jasmine. We have got a little white beeswax candle in there. That's very nice. And that was all on a little bed of moss. Is there something? Oh, there's something else in here. Oh, Steiner flashbacks. There is a little crystal in here. The reason I'm saying that is because Steiner, at the school I went to, used to do this thing at their fairs called the Crystal Forest. And they'd set up this room with like what looked like a little fairy forest with lots of moss and branches and stuff, and they would hide crystals among it, and you could go in and like collect your own crystals. I went to a strange school. Anyway, yes, this is full of moss, which I love because I'm always just bringing home clumps of moss for no reason. And there's also a little crystal in there. I don't know what it is. It's kind of a reddish brown color. And I'm very excited to find out what it is. So we'll pop that back in there for the moment, along with the jasmine and the candle. Ooh, okay. Next, oh, so that wasn't even our spell candle, because here's our spell candle. So that was an extra candle. Oh, glittery. So we have a very glittery red candle. I suppose that makes sense to go with the flame spell. Oh my god, I'm covered. And it is lovely. There's explosions of glitter. We have our salt, Libertas salt. Oh, that's very nice. It's like kind of green, but kind of like fresh and sweet. Ooh. Oh, what are you? Cinnamon? Doesn't smell like cinnamon. It looks like really big cinnamon, but it doesn't have any smell at all that I can tell. You see what I mean? So I'm not sure what that is, but we'll find out at the end. We have our oil. I think this oil says Brigid, which makes sense because of the artwork, unless I'm reading it wrong. I think there's cinnamon in there. Oh, that smells delicious actually. I want to drink that. I won't, but I want to drink that. Ah, there's a little pack of incense. Solar torch incense, no less. Will it be something nice and spicy? Oh, not so much actually. It's another sort of like very fresh, fancy man smell. Ooh, we have a little spray top, which probably means, yes, some sort of spray. I love the sprays. Ooh, Brigid's Flame. Ooh. Hold on, let me get a little spritz of that. Oh, that's amazing. There's definitely some sort of like cinnamon or something. Oh, but I'm also thinking maybe like maybe almond oil or something. So there's something a little bit like marzipan-ish to me, but I don't know if I'm just reading that wrong. Oh my god, it smells bloody amazing though. Here you go. Woohoo! Mmm, yes, love that. Amazing. Oh, and then it's a really good cinnamon. The cinnamon comes through nice and strong. We have something in a little orange pouch. Ooh, a strange crystal. I am very intrigued by that. I have no idea what it is, but I'm excited to find out. It's a very strange shape. Guys, I smell so good. Oh, okay. One last item in the box, and it's in its own little box, and it is a necklace. Ooh, and it looks like that. That is absolutely beautiful. God, I feel very like refreshed and uplifted by that. I don't know what the hell's in that, but I feel good. Okay, but I've been sitting on this. This is what I sit on here. Isn't a seat, it's like a box, and I've been sitting on it for a really long time because I did Instagram Live before this. Well, I did a video before this, then I did Instagram Live before that, so I've been sitting here for a long time, and my back, it hurts. So let's get through this. Brigid's Flame. Hand-carved Celtic cross box. Yes, we got that. And inside that box was a bed of natural green tree moss, mini white intention setting candle. Oh yes, we got that. Jasmine flowers. Yes, I love jasmine. And oh, again, I doubted myself. It's Tiger's Eye, Tumbled Tiger's Eye. I didn't go for that because it didn't have any, hold on. Yeah, I ended up not saying Tiger's Eye because it didn't have any of like the sort of goldy tones that I would usually associate with Tiger's Eye. It was more just like very dark colors, like a reddish thing, but apparently it was Tiger's Eye. Deary me. I'll have more confidence in myself from now on. Brigid's Hammer Fine Pewter Pendant with Cord. Yes, we got that. Beautiful. There's lots of information on everything here, but if I were to read it all out, we would be here absolutely all night, so I read all of this on my own later when I'm not taking up your time. Brigid Book of Shadows artwork, yes. Awoken Flame Spell Candle with Spell Incantation, yes. Large cinnamon stick bundle. It probably is cinnamon, but it doesn't, there's no smell to it. Maybe something has to be done to it before it smells like cinnamon. Brigid Magical Anointing Oil, yes, we got that. And it has a lot. Clove, anise, cinnamon, orange, almond and bay oils. And it also has cinnamon chips, crushed bay leaves, Lemurian quartz, and Deem Ignis Magical Oil. Gosh, lots going on in there. Brigid's Flame Ritual Aura Spray, yes, love it. Created this spray with oils of cinnamon, clove and almond, yes! Yes, back on top. I got it right. I didn't guess the clove, but that makes sense because, you know, it's also a spicy smell, but the cinnamon's definitely the dominant smell for me, and now I get the sort of marzipan smell from the almond. And it also has a special mixture of true magical oil. Libertas Sacred Salt, rosemary, sweet orange, and tea tree oils, as well as rosemary, eucalyptus, and jasmine herbs, with a special mixture of clearing magical oil. Wonderful. Solar torch incense sticks, large tumbled sunstone. Oh yeah, I don't know why I forgot about that. Yes, we did get that, okay. Completely left my head, yes. So that is a tumbled sunstone, okay. Basheen or allspice, it's allspice. I think I've gotten that wrong before. I will remember now that that's what allspice looks like. Crushed bay leaves, yes. Wheel of the Year Book of Shadows artwork, yes. Personalized oracle reading, yes. And parchment paper, yes. We got absolutely everything. That was a delightful experience. I am so pumped about this bloody spray. It is so nice and refreshing, and like, I just feel very energized with it, so I'm gonna be keeping this on hand. Need more of that in my life. I love cinnamon. Oh, okay, so I really do hope you enjoyed this, another double unboxing. We might be back to single unboxings after this, I'm not sure yet, but don't hold your breath too much, but we might be back. We might be on track. So that's very exciting. Please do leave me a little comment down below and let me know how you've been doing, and let me know if anything in either one of these boxes particularly caught your eye. Was anything especially interesting? I'd love to know. If you enjoyed it, do give it a little thumbs up, of course. If you're new here and you enjoyed this, consider subscribing. We have lots of these, and we also have a bunch of other content, so there is something to suit pretty much anyone. And finally, before you go, if you could check out my Patreon, I would love you forever and ever. It is super important. It is the best possible way to support this channel and keep these videos coming, which I would love. Don't know how you guys feel, but I would like it if these videos could keep going. So yeah, the link for that is down in the description, and I would love to see more people join that family. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, lovelies!